In front of me is the Redmi Note 7, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this blue switcher next to use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features turned gray, which means that Autofill is off. If you wish to switch it back on, hit the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!